In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable checkbox in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you need to create forms or documents that require user input. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Simply launch the application, and from the main interface, select your PDF file to begin working on it. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled All Tools. Click on this to access a comprehensive list of tools available in Acrobat. Next, you'll want to locate and select the Prepare Form option. This tool is designed specifically for setting up forms in a PDF document. Clicking on Prepare Form will guide you to another window where you'll see an option to select a file. This step allows you to either confirm your current document or choose a different one if you need to switch PDFs. After you've selected your file, the next step is to create the form. Click on the Create Form button, which will start the process of form preparation. A dialog box will then appear, confirming that Acrobat will scan your document for fields it can recognize and convert into form fields automatically. Go ahead and click OK to close this dialog box and proceed. Now that you're in the form editing mode, you'll notice a panel labeled Add Form Components. Here, you want to select the checkbox option. This will enable you to add checkboxes to your document. With the checkbox tool selected, click anywhere on your PDF where you want to place the checkbox. You can position and resize it to perfectly fit your design needs. Once your checkbox is in place, it's crucial to ensure it functions as intended. Look towards the bottom left of your screen and click on Preview. This mode allows you to interact with your checkbox just as an end user would, providing an opportunity to test its functionality. Make sure the checkbox checks and unchecks correctly. If everything's working, click Exit Preview to return to the editing mode. It's always important to save your work, so take this moment to save your PDF with the newly added form elements. Simply go to File and then click on Save, ensuring all your changes are stored. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable checkbox to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in creating interactive PDFs. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.